हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल एवीएन नॉलेज में। आप लोग हमारे चैनल को बहुत अधिक पसंद कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। बात कर रहे हैं बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट की। टिल लास्ट वीडियो वी टॉक अबाउट लीडरशिप। टुडेज टॉपिक विल टॉक अबाउट क्वालिटीज ऑफ लीडरशिप। What are the qualities of leadership? How a leader should be, and that leader should must particular qualities. So there are 13 qualities I have written down on the whiteboard. So let's have a look one by one. Sound health. Your leader must possess sound health. What do you mean by sound health? Sound health means a leader must possess sound health. Sound health means a leader should be healthy, because there is a saying called good mind or sharp mind possess a sharp body, or you can say sharp body possess the sharp mind, or healthy mind or healthy body possess the healthy mind. So your leader should have healthy body, and then only he will have the healthy mind, because if he has the healthy mind, then only he can take sharp and intelligent decision, then only your organization can be successful. So a leader should have the sharp body, or you can say sound mind or sound health. Sharp intelligence. There is a word called sharp, and another one is intelligence. Your leader should be intelligent enough. Your leader should be intelligent enough. If your leader is intelligent, then only a leader can take sharp and intelligent decision in an effective manner, and that effective manner help the organization to be a successful organization. So a leader should be sharp and intelligence. Intelligence is required, because if your leader is not intelligent in compared to the followers, then there is no difference between followers and the leader. So leader has to make sure that he or she must possess sharp intelligence rather than followers. Let's talk about the next one, that's called self-confidence and willpower. What do you mean by self-confidence? In Hindi, if I talk about, we call it आत्मविश्वास. आत्मविश्वास होना, खुद के ऊपर भरोसा होना. Do you think that a leader must have self-confidence? क्या आपको लगता है कि एक लीडर के अंदर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस का होना जरूरी है? अगर आपका जवाब है यस, तो आप एकदम सही हैं. Because if a leader have the self-confidence, then only he can do the leadership with a group of people. अगर एक लीडर के पास खुद के पास अगर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है, तभी वो अपनी टीम को, अपने फॉलोअर्स को प्रॉपरली लीड कर पाएगा और प्रॉपर तरीके से क्या कर पाएगा, गाइड कर पाएगा. अगर एक लीडर खुद की सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, किसी भी चीज को लेकर अपने सबऑर्डिनेट को प्रॉपरली गाइड नहीं कर पाएगा, और वो एक सक्सेसफुल लीडर नहीं हो सकता. सो टू बिकम अ सक्सेसफुल लीडर, if you want that your organization must be successful, then you have to make sure that your leader is self-confident and having a willpower. Willpower means to do or to have a confidence of doing anything in a way that you have to do this thing within the particular time frame which was given to him. यानी एक ऐसी पावर, किसी काम को करने की एक दृढ़ इच्छा होना कि आपको वो काम एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम लिमिट जो कोई आपको दिया गया है उसमें आपको पूरा करना है. सो विल पावर एंड सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इज मस्ट have a leader. A leader must have a self-confidence and should have the strong willpower. Let's talk about the next. Vitality and tolerance. Do you understand vitality and tolerance means? Vitality and tolerance means a leader must possess vitality and tolerance capacity. Tolerance means your leader is not focusing with the small things. Leader should tolerate small things, because if he or she is focusing on those small things, then he'll consume most of the time on these small things, which is not productive. So what a leader should do? A leader should have this tolerity, or you can say tolerance or vitality. Vitality means focusing on important things. यानी महत्वपूर्ण चीजों पर ध्यान देना, नॉट द नॉन कोर एक्टिविटीज. Do you understand what is core activities and what is non-core activities? So core activity means the activities which are important, which are more productivity, or you can say which are more productive for the organization. However, on the other hand, non-core activities are those activities which are not that much important. So a leader should always focus on productive things, core things. Let's talk about the next one, that is called sound character. You might have listened a saying that's called, if you lose your character, that means you lose everything. अगर आपने अपना character खो दिया तो आपने अपना सब कुछ खो दिया. So a leader must possess the strong character. The character which a leader has should be strong enough so that everyone or anyone can believe on him. यानी एक लीडर किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का है, उसके पास जो कैरेक्टर है उसका जो कैरेक्टर है, उसका जो व्यक्तित्व है, शुड बी स्ट्रांग इनफ. इतना स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए कि कोई व्यक्ति उसके ऊपर आसानी से क्या कर पाए, बिलीव कर पाए. सो अ लीडर शुड हैव अ स्ट्रांग कैरेक्टर एंड शुड नॉट लूज हिज कैरेक्टर एनी ऑफ द टाइम. लेट्स मूव ऑन. Capacity to take decisions. What do you understand by decisions? Decisions means taking proper actions or taking proper decisions of taking any decisions related to the organization. So a leader should be foresighters. Foresighters means दूर की देखने वाला, दूर की सोचने वाला. Now you tell me, whenever you take decisions, do you think about current position and future as well? So a leader must possess very good decision making ability, because I told you in the earlier videos that a leader has to do so many decisions. They have to do planning, they have to do staffing, and they have to do so many other things. So a leader must possess good, or you can say they should have capacity to take good and smart decisions. How a leader can take smart decisions? A leader should think about the current situation and the future situations of that particular decisions. So he or she should be foresightness by thinking of future. If a leader is not having capacity of taking decision, that means that leader is not a good leader. So if you want that your organization should become successful, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्या हो जाना चाहिए, सक्सेसफुल होनी चाहिए, then you have to make sure that your leader are having capacity of taking smart and fast decisions. Let's talk about the next one, teaching and technical ability. Do you think that your leader must have teaching and technical ability? What do you mean by teaching and technical ability? I'll tell you teaching and technical abilities. What are the teaching and technical abilities? Let's take an example. There is an organization. Let's take anything, you can say Google. Google is an organization where 3 departments are there, ABC. In ABC, Mr. M is there, who is a leader of all these 3 departments. Mr. M is there, who is leading all 3 departments. Now, what Mr. M has to do? M has to lead all the 3 departments. However, he has to teach their subordinate whenever it is required. यानी मिस्टर एम को क्या करना होगा? टीचिंग करना होगा, पढ़ाना होगा. किसको पढ़ाना होगा? To their subordinates. Who all are subordinate here? Mr. A, Mr. B, and Mr. C. A member of different department, or you can say a department. Here, Mr. M must possess 2 qualities. That is one, teaching one. And second one is technical. What do you mean by technical? Technical means whatever departments are there, A department, B department, and C department. So Mr. M must have the knowledge of all 3 departments, be it a production department, be it a marketing department, be it a sales department, or anything, accounting, finance, or anything. So Mr. M has to possess teaching and technical knowledge of particular department. Because if you are not having knowledge or technical knowledge, then anyone can come to you and make you fool. अगर आप knowledge नहीं रखते हैं तो आपको कोई भी आकर कभी भी fool बना सकता है. So you must possess technical and teaching ability. Both of them should have. Next one is motivating ability. What is motivating ability? I told in the last videos when we were talking about motivation, a leader must possess motivating ability. A leader has to make sure that he is motivating its employee whenever it is required. Motivating in a way so that he can influence the thinking and the decision of an employee, or he can change the negative approach towards the positive approach. So motivating capacity is also required in a good or successful leader. Let's go ahead. That is called foresightness. What do you mean by foresightness? Or we can say visionary. Visionary means a person who is thinking about future. A person who is thinking about future. Can you take any of the decisions of your life by keeping in mind all the current situation only? No. क्या आप अपने जीवन के सारे निर्णय केवल करंट सिचुएशन के वर्तमान स्थितियों के ध्यान में रखते हुए लेंगे? नहीं. आप कहेंगे सर हम डिसीजंस वर्तमान स्थिति और आने वाली यानी फ्यूचर वाली स्थितियों को ध्यान में रखते हुए लेंगे. सो अ लीडर शुड बी अ विजनरी पर्सन, यानी एक ऐसा व्यक्ति होना चाहिए जो करंट सिचुएशन और फ्यूचर सिचुएशन बोथ सिचुएशन को ध्यान में रखते हुए वो क्या करे, आने वाले डिसीजंस को ले. एंड दोज डिसीजन मस्ट बी स्मार्ट इनफ and fastest. Human approach and capacity to build human relations. Human approach means a person, we are talking about leader. A leader should have a human approach. That means a leader should contact more and more people so that he can gain more and more ideas from different societies and different people. If he'll get more and more ideas, then he'll think about more and more for the decision making purpose. Whenever we are getting more and more ideas, then we have multiple thinking to resolve problem. We have multiple ways. We have multiple ways to choose the best one. So a human or a leader should have the human approach and capacity to build human relation. And a leader should also have the capacity to build a good human relation, to build a good human relation with the member of organization, be it an employee, be it a top level management, be it a middle level or small level of management. So different level of management create a different level of human relation. Let's move on to another one. Sense of responsibilities. What do you mean by sense of responsibility? Now you tell me, can a leader refuse to take responsibility? No. A leader should always be ready to take the different responsibility. I told in the previous videos, responsibility also comes with authority. Responsibility also comes with authority because there are two pillars which work simultaneously. दो पिलर्स हैं जो हमेशा साथ साथ काम करते हैं, जो कि कौन कौन से हैं? ऑथोरिटी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. व्हेनेवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अराइज, ऑथोरिटी ऑल्सो कम्स इन. जब भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की बात होगी ऑथोरिटी की बात की जाएगी, और जब ऑथोरिटी की बात होगी तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की बात की जाएगी. तो योर लीडर should always be ready to take responsibility. He or she can never refuse to take responsibility. You should be always ready to take new responsibility so that he can resolve more and more problem and having an experienced person of resolving different situations, different problems. Because a leader have to solve different, or you can say many complex problems. So when a leader can resolve complex problem, when a leader should, you can say like solve many problems, then only he will have the experience of solving different problems. So this is the only way a leader should have the sense of responsibility. The more responsibility he or she will take, the more experience he or she will gain. So the second last, that is called team spirit. What do you mean by team spirit? So a leader should have a team spirit within the member of organization. So whenever we are talking about team spirit, I told you in the previous videos as well that a leader should have a team spirit. All the member of organization should be in the same page. On the same page means whatever a leader is thinking about, so followers, all the subordinate should always be ready or with agree on that particular task or assigned task to each of them. Because the entire team has one goal, then only organization can become successful. अगर पूरी टीम का एक ही गोल होगा including the leaders, including managers, including followers, including subordinate, then only organization can become a successful organization. So a leader has to make sure, a leader should have the team spirit. एक लीडर को ये बात अपने आप पर पता करनी है, मालूम करनी है कि एक लीडर के पास टीम स्पिरिट है या नहीं. अगर एक टीम स्पिरिट नहीं है तो वो एक अच्छा लीडर, एक गुड लीडर नहीं हो सकता. Last but not the least, social and tactful. Do you think a leader should be social? Social means be friendly with people. Be friendly with people. He should not have any kind of pride. उसके पास किसी भी टाइप का कोई भी घमंड नहीं होना चाहिए. Because if a leader has a pride, if a leader has a pride, then he cannot be a successful leader. A leader should be social and tactful. Whatever information he has should be verified and correct. Whatever statement he or she is giving should be verified and true. He has to make sure that whatever he or she is speaking should be perfect. There should not be any kind of mistake. So a leader should be social. Social, I told you, social means interacting with more and more people. Be friendly so that he can gain from different people, different societies. And tactful, I told you, whenever he or she is speaking should be correct, truth, should not be any kind of mistakes. So in today's video, we talk about qualities of leadership. हमने बात की qualities. What are the qualities a good leader should have? कि कौन-कौन सी qualities एक good leader के पास होनी चाहिए. So in basic terms, there are 13 qualities we talked about. So these 13 qualities a leader should have, because failure and success of an organization totally depends on the leadership. If your leadership has all these 13 qualities, then you can make sure yourself that yes, my organization become a successful organization. Because I told you, the failure and the successful of organization totally depend on leadership. How your leadership is. If your leadership is good, effective, then only you can think about the success. If not, then even you cannot imagine about the success. So thank you for watching our video. Keep watching, keep learning. One more request I would like to do again. अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, please subscribe our channel for new and different topics. We always try to pick up for you. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep watching. Have a nice day.